So in this video we will discuss about unit conversion. So we will see how to convert one unit to another. We have done this earlier, but even then we will revise how to convert one unit to another. We will do it by unit conversion method, and we will use a unit factor. For example, if we need to convert 2 liter into meter cube, how will we do that? So first we should know the relation between liter and meter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, or you can tell this is also 1000 milliliter, and we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So I have got relation from liter to centimeter cube, and I know relation between meter and centimeter, but not meter cube and centimeter cube. So first I'll find the relation between meter cube and centimeter cube. So for this I'll do 1 the whole cube is equal to 100 the whole cube centimeter to the power 3. So this will be 1 meter cube is equal to 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. Is this clear? 10 to the power 6. 100 can be written as 10 to the power 2. So it's 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube is 1 meter cube. Fine. Now I know 1 meter cube is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. Also, what will I do is, I'll tell 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube. Fine. So for unit factor, if I talk, to convert liter to centimeter cube, 1 liter has 1000 centimeter cube. So what is a unit factor? It is 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube upon 1 liter is my unit factor. So my question, that is 2 liter, now will change into centimeter cube. Then I need to convert centimeter cube to meter cube. So I need to know, I know now 1 meter cube is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 meter cube upon 10 to the power 6, or the unit factor over here is 1 meter cube upon 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. So this is the second unit factor. So 2 liter is equal to how many centimeter cube? 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube upon 1 liter. So this liter and liter will cancel, so this much centimeter cube. And this much centimeter cube is how many meter cube? So 1000 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power 3 meter cube. So I require 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube is how many meter cube? 1 meter cube. So the second unit factor to convert centimeter cube to meter cube is 1 meter cube divided by 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. Centimeter to centimeter will cancel out. Now my unit that remains is meter cube. So 2 10 to the power 3 upon 10 to the power 6. Now it's 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube is 2 liter. So 2 liter is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. This is when I don't know the relation directly between liter and meter cube. I have taken first the conversion of liter to centimeter cube, and then meter to centimeter, or meter cube to centimeter cube. So first convert your liter to centimeter cube, and then from centimeter cube to meter cube. You remember which unit are you converting? The unit that you are converting, in the unit factor it should be in the bottom, that is in the denominator, so that it cancels out. So this is the first question that we have done in unit conversion method. Now let's do the second problem. Now we shall convert 2.6 gram into microgram. So 2.6 gram is equal to how many microgram? So we know that micro means it's 10 to the power minus 6, indicates the prefix mu, which is micro. So 10 to the power minus 6 microgram is equal to 1 gram. So if I have 1 gram, it is equal to 10 to the power 6 microgram. So 2.6 gram is equal to how many microgram? So I have a unit factor 2.6 gram into, what is the unit factor? 10 to the power 6 microgram upon 1 gram. So now gram to gram will cancel out, and 2.6 gram now turns to 2.6 into 10 to the power 6 microgram. So this is a relation, or you can convert one unit to another. Now we shall convert 5.96 gram per centimeter cube to kilogram per meter cube. So you have two conversions to be done. You need to change gram to kilogram and centimeter cube to meter cube. First is how to convert gram to kilogram. We know that 1000 gram is 1 kilogram. So the unit factor over here is 1 kg upon 1000 gram. So I'll multiply this number by this so that my gram changes to kilogram. And for centimeter cube and meter cube, we have seen 1 meter cube is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. Fine. So I shall write, I require centimeter cube to be turned. So 1 centimeter cube is 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. Or unit factor, if I talk, if I have to convert centimeter cube to meter cube, what will I do? 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube upon 1 centimeter cube. So this is a second unit factor that I get over here. So when we talk, we need to know that it is 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. Now we'll continue with it. We have 5.96 into, now this was gram per centimeter cube. First unit factor is to convert gram to kilogram, that is 1 kg upon 1000 gram. Now the second factor, you have to convert centimeter cube to meter cube. So what will you have? You will have the conversion factor as 1 centimeter upon, this is the conversion factor that we have done, minus 6 meter cube. Or you can state it as 5.96 into, here this gram will cancel out, so here remains kilogram upon 1000, centimeter to centimeter, and 10 to the power minus 6, which is in the denominator. In numerator it's 10 to the power 6, and in denominator meter cube. So here 3 zeros will go. So the answer is 5.96 into 10 to the power 3 kg upon meter cube, which is equal to 5960 kg upon meter cube. So this was my first conversion factor and the second one. The second one is to convert centimeter cube to meter cube.